Hey, congratulations on getting step one done, getting your domain name set up. Now, in this video, there's going to be some things if you're brand new that you're going to be like, I don't understand this, I don't get it. And it's okay. As long as you follow me step by step, I promise you, once we've put this share code together, then I'll explain everything. But this specific step is going to be vital for getting your automated emails in front of the people that come to your website who want more information. Little quick side note, the most important aspect of your business is getting those people in front of those emails, because it is a known statistic, you guys, and you need to understand this right off the bat, that most people don't tell you, is that it takes somebody at least a minimum of 7+ times of being reminded of your business or your offer or of you before they actually make a decision as to whether or not they move forward. So, in the beginning, as long as you're getting opt-ins, celebrate, because we're going to get those emails in front of them so they can keep getting brought back to your website and making a decision. Okay, so this step is going to help with that because of email spam filters. We don't spam, but it's just the way emails now decide for us what we see and what we don't. Even if it's something we want to see that's sending it to a spam folder, this is going to help a lot. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating what is called a subdomain. Now that you have your domain, it's like creating another domain name from your main domain, all right? And we're going to be creating a link with it that we will put into your autoresponder series in step 3, so that when people click on that link who read your email, they will be brought to your sales page at Internet Lifestyle Pros. So that way, when they decide to sign up for an account, if they do, then you're getting the credit and everything's going to you. So I'll get more in detail about it later. You probably won't understand if you're brand new, but let's do this anyways. Trust me, I got your back. I just want to make this short, sweet, and get you into action ASAP. So the first thing we're going to do is, you're watching this video right now in your back office of ILP. First of all, it'd probably be smart to open up another window, and you want to keep this tutorial active in this window, okay? Open up another window, and then from your back office of ILP, yes, you can kind of have 2 windows open with ILP, okay? I want you to select affiliate tools, because there's a specific link we're going to need here for you, all right? Then I want you to select my marketing links. Now, the making of this video is about a day before we're going to be releasing a different looking version of ILP back here. So you're not going to be seeing all this links, but the one link that you need in order to do this is right here, Simplicity Exposed Sales Page. I want you to highlight this entire link, and you're going to right click on it and click copy. Now I want you to take a moment. If you need to pause the video, go for it. And I'm going to minimize here, and I'm going to create a text document right now on my desktop. And I'm going to name this ILP subdomain redirect. Again, you'll understand this later, okay? So let's go ahead and open that text document up, and we're going to paste this in. Awesome. Right here where you see your username, I want you to take that out and leave the equal sign there, and make sure there is no space between the equal sign and your username. I want you to type in the username that you chose for ILP. Now, if it's different than the one you chose for PLS, don't do the PLS one. Do the ILP username that you chose. Mine's simple. There we go. That step is done. Next, let's open this up, and there is another link that we are going to need, but it is going to be found inside of the PowerLead system. So get logged into your back office of the PowerLead system. Again, pause the video if you need to, okay? If you're just coming back, we need to find this little piece of code, and I'm going to show you exactly where to do it. Once you're back here, hover over the training tab and select training area. Click on that. Now, since you're brand new, if you're brand new, I should say, and you've never created an account on the training site for PLS, there you go. Pause the video, create an account real quick. Once you have done that, I'm going to get logged into mine. Once you're here and in the back office, select on System Video and click that. Now, a quick side note, this is a lot of the how-to video tutorials on the different things you can do inside of PLS. We're not going to stray from this. There's a specific little piece of code we're looking for. So I want you to scroll down slowly through the videos until you find a video that says how to forward. Let's see here it is. How to forward to an outside URL from a domain or subdomain. Click there. Next, pause Neil, because I'm showing you how to do this. You don't have to watch that tutorial. It's short if you want to watch it though. But right underneath, this is the important part. It says click here to see the code. Click it and it's going to open up a code in a window. Now, I can't see it because my TV is a little high up here. So once you see this, I need you to grab all of this, copy, okay? And I need you to open up that text document, make a couple spaces, and I want you to paste that in there, okay? Now, I had you, right here, I had you make that link and put your username in it. We're going to swap some things out. So look here where it says HTTP, right after the equal sign, right here. You want to highlight up to, whoops, there we go. Up to.com. You need to leave the quotation in there, but I need you to highlight that, okay, and delete. Now remember, you got the equal sign and the quotation right after URL. What we're going to do is we are now going to grab this entire referral link. Well, it's not a referral link, that's your sales page link, all right, and we're going to copy that. Next, go in between with no space, the equal sign and the quotation, and put that link in there, and you're done. Once you do that, then I'm going to close this out. All right, you got that? So now, whoops, how come that didn't close out? What are you doing? Because I only want you with the one. There we go. That's what we want. Yay. Okay, so now this is what you should have, okay? Once that's done, minimize this. Now we're almost done with this step, okay? Next, let's just go ahead and close this out because we don't need this anymore. We're going back to the back office again of PLS. Again, you don't have to understand it. You will when we're done. Next step, hover over websites. Then you see right down here where it says copy web pages, click that. Now mine's going to look different from yours, especially if you're brand new, because I have a ton of share codes and stuff in here, okay? But you won't have the funnel thing. Shared choices you will shortly, but not yet. I'm going to scroll through my list so that you see what you're probably going to see right away. So I told you I had a lot. It doesn't even matter what page you pick, okay? We're just taking a copy of anything. So this first, where it says Power Lead System Capture Pages, boom. Make a copy, scroll to the bottom. Oh, where's my little bar so I can scroll fast? Scroll to the bottom and select Make Me a Copy. We are almost finished this step. This is really cool what's about to happen. There's only two things that you need to do on this specific page, okay? Number one, remember I told you we are creating a subdomain, okay, that is going to forward to your sales page in ILP. That's going to be inserted into autoresponders. So you want to name this page. Now this, nobody will see the name of this page, just you. So I want you to name it for your record. So I'm just going to go ILP subdomain redirect example. I'm saying example because I'm doing a video just for your record. So you know, hey, don't mess with this later on and accidentally delete it. Here is the very most important part. This area, step 2. This is where we're going to turn this page into a redirect, and we're going to create a subdomain right from here, okay? Very easy, very simple. So select right here. I want to use a new address. You should see your domain name over here. Actually, I'm going to select my training one. Actually, no. Let's go back. It doesn't even matter. Yeah, it does. I'll just do that. Okay. So when you're right here, when you create a subdomain, it is not a main domain name. It's like when you're living in an apartment complex, and you've got one main address, but you go inside and everybody's got their own little addresses. It's that kind of thing. You're going to be creating like a little separate address of your domain name specifically for this. So when you go to do it, all they want is you to name something in here. So you can call it ILP, or I wouldn't do it in caps. I'm just going to, it doesn't matter, you can do ILP1, whatever. This is going to become the link. Now I'm going to put example ILP. Don't do this, you guys. Just name it something short and sweet. Do not put a www dot in front of it, okay? This is very important, okay? It's just going to be whatever word you want in here, and people will see this, okay? And then it'll be a dot and then your domain name. Now, before you make any changes and save, this is important, hugely important. We need to make sure we copy down your subdomain. So whatever you named it, of course, I did a super long one, right? Again, no www. Copy it. HTTP : which is the 2 dots, // and then what did I put? Because I'm blind. Example. I should have done that different. MP. I really can't see. I'm naming that something else. Oh my God, that's terrible. Here. Whatever. Please don't name yours that. Please don't. This is just for an example. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Okay, so let me change that. Whatever. And then it'll be dot and then your domain name. So PowerLead System-Training.com. Don't even go to that domain because this is I only bought that for video examples, okay? So this now becomes your redirect URL. Now we got to create it. Let's click Save Changes. Click on Submit. And then here we go. This is the edit mode for capture pages and stuff inside of PLS. We don't need any of these, okay? Click on Source. And then you're going to highlight. Let me see if I can. There we go. Just make it a little bigger. I want you to take every little piece of text completely out of here. All right? Remove. Make sure you scroll up a little bit and there's nothing left in this page. Now, bring back that text document. And now we are going to grab this code. Let me bring this up. We're going to grab this entire code right here. All of that. And we're going to copy. And we are going to place that inside of here. Paste it. That's all. Now we have completely finished this step. So when I uncheck source, you are now going to see probably a preview of the ILP sales page, okay? Let's see. There it is.
Howdy.
Oh,
how's it going?
I'm going to pause that. I love you, Tim. Just don't need to hear you right now. Anyways, that is your redirect. So when you do that, that's showing you that that is going to lead to that page. So now let's click on Save Changes. And I had to do a little edit here because my camera fell over again. Anyways, guess what? End of step 2, okay? So I want you to keep this text document open though, because now we've only got 2 more steps to go, and this is the link you're gonna need, okay? So I am, for the next step, I'm just gonna get rid of this because we don't need to look at it, but don't copy my link. Remember, it's your subdomain that you created we're going to need for the next step. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're going to have you up and running quick. So I'm out of here. See you in the next video. Ciao.